Namaskar, thank you for joining us. You're watching the national debate and I'm Swati Joshi. Was it the BJP that won the election in Haryana or was it the Congress that lost from a winning position? That's the big question on everyone's minds as all sides switch gears now to prepare for the crucial upcoming elections in the states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, followed by the battle for the capital. Earlier this week, Congress's unexpected defeat in the state of Haryana put the focus back on unity or the lack of it in the party and how it has come to hurt their poll prospects. No wonder then that the Prime Minister also warned their INDI allies of tying up with the Congress and called them a parasite.
जम्मू कश्मीर में उसकी सहयोगी पार्टी डर के मारे पहले से कई कह रही थी कि कांग्रेस की वजह से उसे नुकसान हो रहा है और आज के नतीजों में भी वही दिखा है। आपको याद होगा लोकसभा चुनाव के नतीजों ने भी हमने यही देखा था। लोकसभा में कांग्रेस जितनी सीटें जीती उनमें आधी से ज्यादा सीटें वो अपने सहयोगियों की वजह से जीती है। इसके अलावा जहां सहयोगियों ने कांग्रेस पर भरोसा किया वहां उन सहयोगियों की ही नैया डूब गई। कई राज्यों में कांग्रेस के खराब प्रदर्शन का खामियाजा उसकी सहयोगी पार्टियों को उठाना पड़ा। कांग्रेस ऐसी परजीवी पार्टी है जो अपने सहयोगियों को ही निगल जाती है।
The defeat in Haryana has led Congress's INDI allies to question the party's strategy. The Aam Aadmi Party blamed Congress's overconfidence and the National Conference cited infighting within the party behind Haryana's setback. Even their ally in Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party, is no longer waiting for the Congress to decide for the upcoming by-polls. SP has unilaterally declared 6 names, including for 2 seats that the Congress had stake claim to. Here's why the allies want Congress to introspect.
देखिए, कांग्रेस को कांग्रेस के अति आत्मविश्वास ने हराया है। दिल्ली में विधानसभा में पिछले 10 साल से कांग्रेस 0 पे है, पर लोकसभा में आम आदमी पार्टी ने उनको 3 सीटें दी। पर कांग्रेस को जरूरी नहीं लगा कि वो अपने अलायंस पार्टनर्स को साथ लेकर चले।
हरियाणा में इंडिया गठबंधन नहीं बन पाया क्योंकि वहां कांग्रेस को लगता था कि बस हम अपने ताकत पर, अपने बलबूते पर जीतेंगे तो सत्ता में और कोई भागीदार नहीं चाहिए।
अगर हरियाणा में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सापा और आम आदमी पार्टी से तालमेल कर लिया होता तो आज हरियाणा में इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार होती। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सापा को 1 सीट नहीं दी और भाजपा को पूरा प्रदेश दे दिया।
So let's open the national debate. Let me introduce you to our guests. Here in the studio, we have with us Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the BJP. We have Tushar Gupta with us, political analyst. Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. We have Anmol Pawar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Romesh Sabharwal, leader of the Congress. And from Mumbai, we're also joined by Anand Dubey, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena UBT. Before I open this up and go across to our guests, let's also take a look at what perhaps or probably will be the impact of results in Haryana on the upcoming elections in Maharashtra, Jharkhand, and especially in the national capital. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has said Congress Party is overconfident. They want to go solo when it comes to Delhi elections. And this is why the INDI should be wary. Why? We're talking about the seats bordering the national capital, and this is what the outcome was in 2024. Let's first tell you what happened in 2019. BJP 12 seats. In 2024, that increases to 18. Whose seats did they snatch? Congress got 7 in 2019 and just 1 in 2024. As far as others are concerned, their number remains the same. Let's take a look at the takeaway. What do these numbers suggest? Takeaway number 1, BJP swept 18 of the 20 constituencies bordering Delhi. Does that mean alarm bells ringing for the INDI? Takeaway number 2, BJP wrestled 5 of these constituencies bordering the national capital from the Congress party. Takeaway number 3, Haryana Congress chief also lost in 1 of the 20 seats. So these are the takeaways as far as the bordering seats of the national capital are concerned. And we'll get to that a little later in the debate on what will be the impact on the upcoming elections. Let's first talk about the Haryana elections, let me ask you, Pradeep Bhandari, and talking about the comparative analysis when it comes to vote share of the Congress in 2019 assembly elections and then the 2024 parliamentary elections as well. Congress is talking about the significant rise in its vote share. Is it for the BJP, the vote, the mandate, or is it because of the infighting in the Congress? Would it be fair, a fair analysis to say that the voters are moving away from the BJP just based on the vote share?
Well, the only truth of Haryana elections is that every lie that was spread by the Congress party for a few months between June and October has been busted by the people of Haryana. Now, we've got more seats than 2014. We, for the first time historically, repeated a government for the third consecutive time with a higher vote share. If you project our vote share of the Lok Sabha elections and project that vote share and seat share in the assembly elections, we fare better than that. No party has done this. This is not because few independents are fighting at some places because of some vote micromanagement. It is purely because of pro-development, pro-incumbency vote of Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP.
Then what explains their increase in the vote share that the Congress party is constantly talking
That is
about?
natural because when the fight is largely bipolar, when 80% of the vote is divided between two parties, it is natural that the vote will not go to a third relegated party. That's how if you look at any election. But please look at it. Jat-dominated seats, the Congress party said that it will sweep. We've made a dent. We've got more Dalit votes than last time. We've got more women votes than last time. In fact, constituencies where the women have voted more than the men, it's the Bharatiya Janata Party which has won with significant margin. If you go poor in the areas, the poor people have voted us because of welfare scheme. If you look at the urban areas, we've swept with a bigger margin, which means what? Even the urban aspirational class in Haryana is with us. The poor is with us. It does not happen coincidentally that a party like a Congress is neither able to get votes of the poor person, neither is able to get the vote of the urban person, which means that the entire plank of the Congress party has fallen flat, and I will prove it in the next 10 seconds.
Okay.
Shama Mohammed, just 10 seconds. Shama Mohammed, the Congress party national spokesperson, yesterday tweeted that the only community which voted for the Congress party is the Muslim community. And the Prime Minister has been repeatedly saying that the Congress party is nothing but a rebranded Muslim League, and the voters have proven that they want pro-incumbency, they don't want divider-in-chief Rahul Gandhi's politics.
Rovesh Sabharwal respond to that. In fact, if you take a look at the new constituency, which pretty much proves the point that Pradeep Bhandari is making, is Congress party now the new Muslim League? One of the questions being put out by the BJP. But let me take you back to the vote share issue. You've been saying that your vote share has significantly risen. But if you take a look at how the BJP has fared in the polls, one thing is very clear. People have risen above the caste pitch.
Very frankly, we have not lost the Haryana elections. We are equivalent to them. They were having the anti-incumbency. The BJP leaders were not allowing to the villages. People were protesting against them. The Prime Minister has organized very less rallies. He was insignificant in Haryana. His rallies was totally flopped. Non-Jat vote polarized, they got this advantage. Second mistake which we have done it, which should have done the alliance with the AAP party and Samajwadi party. That another mistake, India Alliance collectively should have fought because they are parasite by using the EC, by using the ED, by using the Adani's money. So they are manipulative, all this. And secondly mistake, the legacy of Bhajan Lal, the legacy of Bansi Lal. We departed from them. We are not having any non-Jat leader in Haryana. If we would have any non-Jat leader, definitely we would have the people of Haryana. They love Congress party. They were for Congress party. We were winning. There is no doubt about that. This is all by mistakes, but we have to introspect. There are manipulations by the Election Commission also. We are going
Manipulation? What kind of manipulations by the Election Commission?
We are going deep into that.
And if the Election Commission had that sort of power, do you think you would have been able to win states? How have you been able to win states like Karnataka and Telangana? If the Election Commission is so powerful, and if the manipulation works, if the manipulation really works, why isn't the BJP winning every state election, every poll?
Themselves. They choose seats, they choose machine, they choose everything. Time will come. Time will come. But God will give us justice. The people of India will get justice. Hitler भी खत्म हुआ था. अंग्रेज भी गए थे इस देश से.
नहीं ये तो देखिए, this is very convenient for you. लोकसभा इलेक्शन, one second, नहीं आप लोगों ने लोकसभा इलेक्शंस के वक्त भी ईवीएम पर सवाल उठाए, and then citing the example of the Samajwadi Party's performance in लोकसभा elections, Digvijay Singh said ये देखिए, ये है ट्रू परफॉर्मेंस। अगर ईवीएम में से छेड़छाड़ नहीं होती तो कुछ और होता नतीजा। सो वेरी कन्वीनियंटली यू विल वंस blame the
Ma'am,
EVM when the results are not in favor, then you cite that when it suits you. Tushar Gupta.
Swati, I'll take this one by one. BJP is the first ever party in Haryana, the first ever to come back, win a third term after 2 complete terms. Congress won a third term in 72, but those 3 elections happened between 67 and 62, 67, 68 and 72. Let's talk about the vote share, number 2. Congress's vote share has increased by 8 percentage points from 20% last time. They had a low base effect.
Yes.
BJP's vote share has gone up by 3 percentage points to 36%. The increase is not coming because people are suddenly gravitating towards the Congress. It's because JJP, which had a 14% vote share last time, is now less than 1%. And the Congress has not been able to capture that entire vote share even. So that increase can be explained there. Number 2. Number 3, Mr. Ramesh Sabharwal is saying that the Prime Minister did not do enough rallies. Rahul Gandhi did enough rallies, 8 rallies in 8 separate assemblies. Congress was trailing in 5 of them on the result day. Let's talk about the protests. We are looking at the numbers that you put up. The very first number, 18 seats to the BJP on the assemblies bordering Delhi. What does it mean? People have rejected the Congress's idea of disruption, of anarchy. Look, businesses suffer. And when I speak about a business, it's just one business alone. It's the family of that business owner. It's the entire market. It's the people working for that business. All of them suffer when there is any sort of disruption. And people genuinely feared that if the Congress came back, there would be a protest that would be unleashed from Punjab, one of the partners of the Congress, and that would again disrupt Delhi as it did in 2020, 2021. Last point. There has been this theory that has been peddled that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress should have allied together because after the resounding success they witnessed in Delhi in the Lok Sabha elections where they scored a golden duck on the 7 seats, perhaps they could have worked out some miracle in Haryana. Let me give you a very interesting number and that is how I will conclude. The Aam Aadmi Party did not stand second in any of the 90 seats, none of them. So much for Kejriwal and Sisodia sympathy. They were third only in 13 of the 88 seats they contested, fourth in 23 seats, fifth in 25 seats, sixth in 17 seats, seventh in 4 seats, eighth in 4 seats, and in 2 seats, they were 9th and 11th respectively.
No, what about the seats where the victory margin was slim, where the Congress party was on number 2 and they got a sizable chunk of the votes?
So yes, this is one theory I decoded on my Twitter timeline last evening. There's this theory being peddled that there were 14 seats that was somehow the independent factor came in. That is what the Congress loyalists want to really propose. Of those 14 seats, first of all, 4 had always been a 3-way contest. When Congress wins a 4-way contest in 2019, it's Congress's victory in the face of another defeat. But in 2024, when that 4-way contest becomes a 3-way contest and yet the Congress loses, then it's an independent vote cutter. Swati, to sum it up, in a state like Haryana, you can't call INLD a vote cutter party. You can't call independents who were miffed with the BJP as working against the Congress. So I think Congress, what has happened to them, Swati, is 8:55, that day I was here in the very same studio, they were very confident that the Modi model has been rejected. We are going to send jalebis to the headquarters of the BJP. By 10 o'clock, suddenly they were sending jalebis to the Election Commission headquarters. Because in their manipulation doesn't happen by the state selection. It happens by time zone selection. So the Election Commission officers, they wake up at 8, they give the right results. At 9, they give the right results. But suddenly at 10 a.m., they choose to favor the BJP. You understand how frivolous all this sounds?
Right. Let me bring in
Congress is just looking to save its face in Haryana after another resounding defeat. That's all.
Mr. Pawar, Ramesh Sabharwal said that it was our mistake. We should have allied with the Aam Aadmi Party. But does it bother you, the data that we just showed on the big screen, BJP's dominance in the seats bordering the national capital?
Swati ji, we know that in Delhi, people have experienced a proven model of governance with a solid track record of performance. Voters in Delhi, they believe in our policies, they believe in the intent and the commitment of the government and the ability to deliver and the vision which we have for the city. And gone are the days when Indian politicians used to look to the West for inspiration. Today, even the global leaders are looking at the Kejriwal's unique model of governance which ensures transparency, accountability and welfare of people. Today itself, I don't know if you know this interesting development, the former president of US, Donald Trump, he announced that if the voters vote him back to power, then he will half the electricity and energy rates after
so
the
he's copying
elections.
your model?
And certainly, in fact, in the past, we have seen that former UN Secretary General Kofi Annan, former Prime Minister of Norway, Mr. Brundtland, and Nobel laureate Mr. Amartya Sen, they lauded Arvind Kejriwal's Mohalla clinic.
But just yesterday, Donald Trump lauded the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
When the first lady of US, Melania Trump, visited Delhi, he commended the education model of Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay, let's come back.
And
let's
global
come back to the
acclaim
ground realities. Let's come back to the national capital. Here during the Lok Sabha elections, you said jail ka jawab vote se. That pitch of Arvind Kejriwal fell flat. It was a big flop show. That pitch ki mujhe jail mein dal diya, so now you vote or aap jawab do. That did not happen. Then there are multiple scams that the BJP will start listing out soon. See, it is a trend, and it's a proven trend, Tushar Gupta, that Lok Sabha elections you do not fare well. Yes, assembly elections you've done well, and that has happened consecutively for 2 times, Tushar Gupta. So that you cannot deny that.
But there's a difference this time, Swati. There's a difference. This time, unlike 2014 and 2019, the Congress and AAP were fighting together in Delhi. Rahul Gandhi and his family were voting for an AAP candidate, as far as I can remember, one of the constituencies. So are you telling me that the governance of the party, which is lauded worldwide, but not by the voters of Delhi, the party that is promising the Khatakhat model together in Delhi could not cross 50% of the vote share even in one of the 7 seats?
Rebuttal.
In 2014, we witnessed Narendra Modi wave. What happened in the assembly election? BJP got only 3 seats. In 2019, he won with an overwhelming majority. What happened in the Delhi assembly elections? BJP got only 8 seats.
But that argument can be used for your performance in Lok Sabha as well. That's what I'm saying. There's a trend which is a proven trend. And it is, yes, go ahead.
More than 200 cases have been filed against us, against the AAP leaders in past 10 years. In none of the case, any allegation of corruption has been proved. In fact, 95% of the cases have fall flat. The court has very categorically said that these are false cases.
Okay.
Just have been made.
Let's come back to the issue at hand. I'm talking about the impact of Haryana elections, the upcoming elections.
Let me make my point.
Since you called the Congress party overconfident, don't take it back to the the pitch where this is a vendetta politics. And
Certainly it's a vendetta politics.
I'm saying we're focusing on election and the impact on the upcoming elections. Mr. Pawar, please, let's focus on the upcoming elections and the impact on it. You've called Congress.
I must be allowed to make my point.
Absolutely, but let's stick to the issue that we are debating and
the fact is that our leaders were kept behind bars for more than 1 year.
The leaders have not been exonerated. They've not been exonerated by the court. They've not got a clean sheet from them.
But what the court said, the court said that this case will fall flat after 2 questions in cross-examination. The court said that there's no direct evidence against them. The court said that the ED and CBI are working as caged parrot of the central government.
We're not discussing that.
The court said that ED and CBI are working as caged parrot. And working at the behest of
debate is
central
not
government.
to give a clean sheet to Arvind Kejriwal or the AAP leaders.
But they have not even been proven guilty.
We are talking about the impact of Haryana elections on the upcoming elections. What will be the impact of this on the national capital? Please tell me that. Are you going to ally with the Congress in the near future? Now you're calling them overconfident.
As far as Delhi assembly elections are concerned, we won't enter any alliance with the Congress party because people believe in our policies. In 2015 and 2020, we received more than 50% of votes. Around 55% was our vote share, because people know that whatever promises Aam Aadmi Party or Arvind Kejriwal ji makes, he delivers on them.
Okay, that brings me back to the point that
the way obstacles have been created by a lieutenant governor who is working at the behest of BJP, people know the reality.
Is the Congress becoming a liability for its allies? But before you respond, Mrs. Agarwal, I want to take quick comments from Vivek Sailas and then Mr. Anand Dubey as well. Vivek Sailas, आप लोग हरियाणा के इलेक्शन देख के तुरंत बायपोल के लिए अपने कैंडिडेट्स का आपने अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया. Some leaders in the Congress are saying we were not in the know of it. We were not taken into confidence. There was no coordination.
I think, Swati, you should be aware that there are 10 bypoll elections in Uttar Pradesh that are coming up very shortly. And the Samajwadi Party has released 6 seats. Now, if you see the statement of Shri Akhilesh Yadav, what he gave yesterday, that we are in alliance with the Congress and the India group in Uttar Pradesh. You should have seen that. So, remaining 4 seats, we have to decide, and the national leaders have to decide which constituencies the Congress is going to find. The Congress is with us in Uttar Pradesh.
They asked for 5 seats, didn't they?
They must, even we were asking for 4 seats in Ahirwal belt in Haryana. If we would have got the 4 seats
That's
in
the point I
Ahirwal
was
belt in
coming.
Haryana,
That's
the
exactly
result
I
would
was
have been
coming to.
different.
Is this after the Haryana election results that you decided unilaterally
No.
release the name of 6 candidates because you didn't take us along? And one of your leaders also said this in media कि आप हमको एक सीट नहीं दे रहे थे, आपने पूरा राज्य उनको दे दिया.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है स्वाति जी. अगर करना होता तो हम 10 सीट भी कर देते.
तो फिर आप मेंशन क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप क्यों मेंशन कर रहे हैं कि हमको अहिरवाल बेल्ट में एक सीट भी नहीं दी?
नहीं, मैं कॉज बता रहा हूं. We were asking for 4 seats.
We should have given them. Impact of these 20
We are
seats
not
would have been different.
we are not like the भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
India
जो
alliance
राम
करना
रहीम
चाहिए था
जैसे रेपिस्ट और हत्यारे से वोट मंगवाती है, जेलर को बाहर करती है बीआरएस पे, उसी दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ज्वाइन करते हैं, टिकट मिलता है और एमएलए बन जाते हैं. ये सब कारनामे सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर सकती है.
कांग्रेस ने जो किया वो क्या था? ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस था, एरोगेंस था, क्या था?
I think it was
by local leadership.
Yes, I think it was the national leaders who had said yes for the coalition, the national leaders in Delhi. I think it was a mistake of the regional leaders, and the Congress should, overhaul its strategy. What they have to do with the
High Command
regional
decides
leaders.
one thing, you're saying the local leaders are not listening to it. Clearly there is no coordination
That
between
is
the
what
High Command and the regional leaders. It's all, you all agree to it. Okay, Pradeep Bhandari, they are accepting and agreeing कि सबसे पहली गलती तो वही हो गई.
नहीं, पहले उनसे ये पूछ लीजिए, राम रहीम जैसे हत्यारे और रेपिस्ट को आपने बाहर करके भाजपा के लिए उससे वोट मंगाएंगे.
ठीक है, अब आपने
Let him respond.
Can I? Swati, before this election, check out every Congress spokesperson. They were calling Rahul Gandhi as the political Chanakya. They were saying that the entire Haryana election strategy decided by Rahul Gandhi. Check out Supriya Shinet's tweet. She's saying that this is modern Chanakya has arrived. Congress party's official tweet was that the Bharatiya Janata Party will not even cross 20 seats. I understand Mr. Sabharwal's compulsions, but the entire strategy was decided, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I was not interrupting, sir. You're not the BJP spokesperson. 90% of the seats, Rahul Gandhi campaigned, Congress party lost. This is not an isolated phenomenon. Rahul Gandhi has lost 50 elections, more than 50 elections. Since 2011, the Congress party has not repeated government in a single state. The Bharatiya Janata Party is the only government which has repeated 2 consecutive governments. We get vote on development. We are a pro-incumbency government. They are an anti-incumbency government. They want to divide people. Now let me respond to every specific allegation. The Aam Aadmi Party is lying on its governance model. The Times of India report suggests that for the first time in 31 years, Delhi is in revenue deficit. Now I'll tell you, the Times of India report suggests
more than 2 lakh crore. The income tax contribution from Delhi is more than 2 lakh crore.
68,000 ghost patients are there in Mohalla clinics. What are they talking about their governance model? What did Arvind Kejriwal ask votes in Haryana? कि भैया मैं ईमानदार हूं तो मुझे वोट कर देना. अगर मैं
बताओ ना, डरते क्यों हो इतना? अरविंद केजरीवाल से इतना डरते क्यों हो फिर आप? बताइए, अगर आप में इतनी क्षमता है हमारे गवर्नेंस मॉडल से लड़ने की, तो आप जेल में बंद मत करिए ना हमें गलत मुकदमों में.
He never interrupted when you were speaking.
Swati, if they interrupt, I will not allow them to speak for a single second, please. Aam Aadmi Party, please check out official tweets of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and Tushar can also back it. He is a data analyst. He asked vote कि अगर मैं ईमानदार हूं तो मुझे वोट करना, अगर मैं ईमानदार नहीं हूं तो मुझे वोट मत करना. In his hometown of Loharu, he's got 800 votes. Not even 1,000 votes. So what does the people of Haryana said? That Mr. Kejriwal is a corrupt chief minister of Delhi.
Okay.
It's as simple, and allow me. Who is Samajwadi Party to give us lectures on women's security? They have not suspended Mohit Khan, the man responsible for raping a 14-year-old daughter. What are they saying?
I have to respond.
On Ram Rahim point, you know the majority seats where Ram Rahim has campaigned, who has won? The Congress party has won. Please check out the data point. They don't know any facts.
Okay, Mr. Huda
officially backed Ram Rahim. Mr. Huda officially backed Ram Rahim. They have
which party Ram Rahim was asking
getting votes on development.
Who
They are
was the
not able
jailer
to
who
get
released
votes.
Ram
If you
Rahim
can counter,
private party?
Mr. Sabharwal
And also
can
another
counter,
fake
if you
news
can
on your
counter
show.
what
10
Mr.
seconds,
Bhandari said
another
with
fake news on your
data,
show.
I'll come back to you.
10 seconds, another fake news on your show. The Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said that the court has said the charges on Arvind Kejriwal are false. Tell him to quote it or take it back. He's lying that the Supreme Court has never made any judgment that the charges are false. He's lying. He's a liar.
Can I respond?
Yeah,
Liar. Show the
quickly.
judgment.
Anand Dubey
Show the
is
judgment.
The biggest liar is Narendra Modi. The biggest liar is Narendra Modi. Just a minute. Let me complete.
He cannot lie on the Supreme Court judgment. Tell him which date. Tell him which date.
Please allow me my,
Okay,
please
tell the
allow me
date.
my
Okay,
time.
tell the date.
Just a minute. The fact is that he said that that Arvind Kejriwal ji is corrupt. The Honorable, just a minute, just a minute.
Okay, all right,
The Honorable,
one second.
the Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court very categorically wrapped the enforcement agency, saying that they are working as caged parrots.
Liar!
The Honorable
Liar!
Supreme
It was
Court,
a
the Honorable
judgment.
Supreme Court has said now he is interrupting.
Liar!
Now I will ensure that he doesn't get time to
Liar!
speak. They must learn from Kejriwal, Arvind Kejriwal's model of governance, of empowering people and strengthening the nation.
Okay.
We have not increased taxes since last 10 years. We give a surplus
all right.
budget.
Mr. Pawar, you
we
then
give
you
a
do not
surplus.
respond to the
Just a
specific
minute.
points.
I am
You are
responding
not
to that.
responding to the specific
I am
points.
responding to that. Just a minute.
Lying.
We give a surplus budget. We didn't increase any taxes, and despite that, we are giving all the basic amenities to the people. Delhi income tax.
Liar.
Delhi contributes more than 2 lakh crores as
all
income tax contribution
Okay, all right.
to the
Let me-
center.
let me
But the
bring-
kind of
No, one
stepmotherly
second.
treatment
One
which
second.
has been done by the Delhi, which has been done by the central
Can you counter the
government,
data that
it is evident.
providing?
They don't even give us 300 crores which they used to give us 2 years back.
Okay.
And income tax contribution of Delhi's people are more than 2 lakh
All
crores.
right, Mr. Pawar, if you can counter him on that
as
point,
far as,
come up with a
as
point.
far as
Come up
honorable,
with a counter.
let me complete.
Come
as
up
far
with a
as,
counter
as
on the
far as
specific
liquor,
point that he's
as
mentioning.
far as honorable Supreme Court's observation are concerned, the fact is that their own ASG in the court admitted the fact that they have no direct evidence, that they have not even
One
been able
second.
to insist. They
Okay,
have
all right,
not
one
been
second.
able to
Mr.
recover
Pawar,
a
Mr.
single
Pawar,
penny.
one second, one
They
second.
have not
Now,
been able to
perhaps-
recover a single
perhaps,
penny.
Mr. Pawar,
And even the trial has not
Mr.
commenced.
Pawar, one
The ED
second.
and CBI,
Mr.
they are
Pawar,
working
you are
as
not-
caged parrots. Then
Why
it
is
became,
Arvind Kejriwal not allowed to enter the CM
then it came in
secretariat?
public.
Why is Arvind
that
Kejriwal
more
not
than
allowed to
60
enter the
crores
CM's
were taken
office?
as bribe.
Why is Arvind Kejriwal
Why
not allowed
did
to enter
BJP
the
took
CM's office?
bribe
One
from the
second.
alleged kingpin of the
Are you
liquor
going to
scam?
debate alone? The debate is not
No, but
about.
why are
the
they
debate is
interrupting?
not about
Why are you
Arvind
allowing them a
Kejriwal.
free run?
And I
Why are they
allowed you a free
interrupting?
run. चाहे इस बात पर हो रही है कि ये जो नतीजे आए चाहे हरियाणा चाहे जम्मू कश्मीर के, इसके आने वाले इलेक्शंस पर क्या असर होगा। और आपकी पार्टी के लोग कह रहे हैं कि सीधी टक्कर में कांग्रेस जीत नहीं पाती है बीजेपी से, तो अब आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होगी महाराष्ट्र में? क्या आपका बार्गेनिंग पावर बढ़ जाता है? क्या अब आप प्रेशर डालेंगे कांग्रेस पार्टी पर?
स्वाति जी नमस्ते। देखिए, हरियाणा के मुद्दे अलग हैं, हरियाणा की परिस्थितियां अलग हैं, महाराष्ट्र के मुद्दे अलग हैं, महाराष्ट्र की परिस्थितियां अलग हैं। हरियाणा में जिस प्रकार सीन था, जिस प्रकार माहौल था, सभी को उम्मीद थी कि कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में एक सरकार बनेगी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी 10 साल से सरकार में थी, एंटी इनकम्बेंसी थी, बहुत लोग नाराज थे, किसान, पहलवान, नौजवान, ये सब उनके खिलाफ थे। फिर भी एक इंडिया गठबंधन नहीं बन पाया, महाविकास आघाड़ी की तरह हरियाणा में कुछ नहीं हो पाया, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी वहां 6-7 सीटों से हार गई। कांग्रेस को अगर 6 सीट और जीत मिली होती तो कांग्रेस बीजेपी से बड़ी पार्टी वहां बन जाती, क्योंकि अगर दोनों के वोट प्रतिशत भी देखेंगे तो किसी को 39.95 मिला है, किसी को 39.9 मिला हुआ है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है। लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में उल्टी स्थिति है। अगर लोकसभा 2024 देखें तो हरियाणा में 5 सीटें बीजेपी जीती थी, 5 कांग्रेस जीती थी, मतलब आधे आधे पे लड़ाई थी, कांटे की टक्कर थी। महाराष्ट्र में 48 सीटें हैं, जहां पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनकी सहयोगी मिलाकर 17 सीटें जीती थी और महाविकास आघाड़ी के लोगों ने ज्यादा सीटें जीती थी, करीबन 31 सीटें जीती थी। तो महाराष्ट्र हमेशा पलड़ा भारी रखा हुआ है महाविकास आघाड़ी के साथ।
किसका पलड़ा भारी? महाविकास आघाड़ी में भी आनंद दुबे जी महाविकास आघाड़ी में भी किसका पलड़ा भारी? क्योंकि बीजेपी और खुद प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस परजीवी बन गई है, वो अपनी एलाइज की सीटें खाने लग जाती है, एलाइज के सहारे चल रही है। और आपके नेता भी कह रहे हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी को कि आप ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट मत होइए, सबको साथ में लेकर के चलिए।
नहीं हम कहेंगे, हम उनको अपना दोस्त समझते हैं, इसीलिए उनको कहेंगे। हमारे यहां संवाद है, डायलॉग है, लोकतंत्र है, संविधान है, हम उनको कहेंगे। क्योंकि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने थोड़ी सी अच्छी रणनीति दिखाई होती तो जम्मू कश्मीर की तरह ही हरियाणा में उनकी सरकार बनती।
तो पैरासाइट नहीं है कांग्रेस पार्टी आपके हिसाब से?
जाट वर्सेस नॉन जाट रह गए हों, चाहे समाजवादी और आम आदमी पार्टी को न लेना हो, वैसे ही महाराष्ट्र में स्थिति नहीं है। महाराष्ट्र में कांग्रेस पार्टी, शिवसेना और राष्ट्रवादी का आपस में बहुत अच्छा समन्वय है। सिर्फ एक सवाल हमारा है हमारे महाविकास आघाड़ी में कि चुनाव से पहले एक मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा अगर लेकर हम जाते हैं तो इसका लाभ होगा। भले ही आपको हमारी
देखिए, मैं ये सवाल नहीं उठाने वाली थी, लेकिन क्योंकि आपने खुद ये मुद्दा उठा दिया, तो अब आप मुझे बताइए कि क्योंकि कांग्रेस और एनसीपी जो है वो बड़ी पार्टियां हैं, ठीक है, शिवसेना का दबदबा है महाराष्ट्र में, तो क्या आप लोग इस बात को स्वीकार कर लेंगे कि हाँ वो बड़ी पार्टी है, अगर ज्यादा सीटें वो लाती है तो उनका पहला अधिकार, या आप लोग भी पिच करेंगे? क्योंकि ये मुख्यमंत्री की लड़ाई को लेकर आपका अलगाव हुआ था बीजेपी से।
सबसे पहले तो कोई ये भ्रम न पाले कि वो दोनों बड़ी पार्टियां हैं। 2019 के जो नतीजे हैं उसमें शिवसेना को कितनी सीट्स मिली है? 56। कांग्रेस को कितनी मिली थी? 42। और राष्ट्रवादी को कितनी मिली थी? 53। तो सबसे बड़े हम हैं। जानबूझकर षड्यंत्र कर कर किसी ने हमारे विधायक चोरी कर लिए, किसी ने नाम और सिंबल चोरी कर लिया, इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी होता है कि हम कमजोर हो गए। हाँ। अगर 20 लोग मिलके कल कहें कि सूरज का नाम चंदा है, हाँ। सूर्य देवता अब चंद्रमा हो गए, तो क्या सूर्य देवता चंद्रमा हो जाएंगे? ऐसा नहीं होता। शिवसेना वही है, बल्कि और मजबूत हुई है। हमने ट्रेलर दिखा दिया नए नाम और नए सिंबल के साथ।
अगर लोकसभा की आप बात करेंगे तो लोकसभा में तो कांग्रेस को शिवसेना से ज्यादा सीटें मिली थी। आनंद दुबे जी, लोकसभा में कांग्रेस को शिवसेना से ज्यादा सीटें मिली थी, तो वो भी अपना ये पक्ष रख सकते हैं।
एग्जैक्टली जिस पार्टी का 125 साल पुराना हाथ का पंजा और कांग्रेस नाम हो, उतनी पुरानी पार्टी हमसे तो बेहतरी करेगी। लेकिन हम मशाल लेकर और नया नाम शिवसेना उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे लेकर जैसे मैदान में आए थे, अब आप देखिए कि हमारे पास 4-5 महीने का समय मिला है, हम और बेहतर करेंगे। हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि महाविकास आघाड़ी में तीनों ही दल अच्छा चुनाव लड़ेंगे, अच्छा चुनाव जीतेंगे। हमारा आंकड़ा 200 के पार होने वाला है।
ये आनंद, मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा हिदायत आई है, मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ी हाई कमांड से हर एक को हिदायत आई है कि इतना ओपनली क्रिटिसाइज एक दूसरे को मत कीजिए। आफ्टर नाना पटोले आई थिंक थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को भी हिदायत मिली है कि चुनाव से पहले ऐसा एक दूसरे के बारे में इतना ओपनली बयान मत दीजिए, वरना कल तक तो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, अकेले लड़ नहीं सकती है सीधी टक्कर में, हमको साथ में लेकर चलना चाहिए था।
इसलिए कि अगर हरियाणा में समाजवादी पार्टी, आम आदमी पार्टी और शिवसेना राष्ट्रवादी को भी कुछ सीटें दे दी गई होती और साथ में लिया गया होता, और दीपेंद्र हुड्डा का वो बयान कि अखिलेश यादव जी की पार्टी का हरियाणा में कोई बहुत ज्यादा प्रभाव नहीं है, समाजवादी का है कुछ नहीं।
देखिए चुनाव के बाद ये बहुत बातें हो रही, तो तुषार गुप्ता ये सब अब चुनाव के बाद कहा जा रहा है, लेकिन अगर ये अलायंस होता भी तो क्या डिफरेंस पड़ता? अच्छा सुनिए, अब थोड़ा डेटा एनालिस्ट से समझिए कि अगर ये अलायंस होता भी, ये आई इंडिया मिलके भी अगर चुनाव लड़ते हरियाणा में, तो क्या आउटकम होता?
चलिए, वैसे इन्होंने लोकतंत्र और संविधान का नाम लेकर अपने अलायंस पार्टनर्स को उनकी जगह काफी अच्छे से दिखा दी। देखिए 2-3 चीजें हैं। हरियाणा में कांग्रेस या आम आदमी पार्टी, इन दोनों के लीडर यहां खड़े हैं, मुझे कोई एक सीट दिखा दे जहां आम आदमी पार्टी कांग्रेस को कोई फायदा पहुंचा सकती थी। जो पार्टी 90 में से सिर्फ 13 सीटों पर तीसरे स्थान पर आ रही है, तीसरे स्थान पर।
आप एनालिस्ट है ना,
मेरे पास आंकड़े हैं,
झूठ बोलते हैं।
मेरे पास आंकड़े हैं,
मेरे पास सबके पास आंकड़े हैं। बदतमीजी मत करिए।
आप लोग अपना उनको बात तो पूरा करने दीजिए। आप अपने डेटा नंबर तैयार रखिए। आप अपना डेटा तैयार रखिए।
नहीं, आनंद जी, अनमोल जी है, एक सेकंड, अनमोल जी है, मुझे एक सीट दिखा दीजिए। आम आदमी पार्टी दूसरे स्थान पे थी, मैं अभी इस डिबेट से वॉकआउट कर जाऊंगा। दोबारा किसी टाइम्स नाउ की डिबेट में आप मुझे नहीं देखेंगे, या अगर आप नहीं दे पाते तो आप दोबारा यहां मत दिखेगा। आप एक सीट दिखाएंगे जहां दूसरे स्थान पर है।
ही वेरी स्पेसिफिकली सेड दैट कि भाई कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी अगर किसी भी एक सीट पे फर्क नहीं डाल रहे थे। देयर इज अ सीट डबवाली जहां पे केवल 610 वोट का फर्क था, आम आदमी पार्टी गॉट मोर देन 2000 वोट्स। देयर इज अनदर सीट उचाना कला wherein it was lost just with 32 votes, और जगधारी पे हमारी 43,800 वोट आई हैं। कैंडिडेट का नाम अरविंद है, जाके देख लेना।
कहीं आप दूसरे
जाके दूसरे पे ही थे, दूसरे पे थे, देख लो। अभी खोलो डेटा,
नहीं थे,
अभी डेटा खोलो।
नहीं थे,
मैं कह रहा हूं
नहीं थे।
मैं भी दिखा देता हूं आपको।
एक मिनट, कांग्रेस की आज स्थिति पता है ऐसी क्यों है? मैं यहाँ कांग्रेस का पक्ष ले रहा हूं और कांग्रेस के जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है वही उत्तेजित हो रहे कि नहीं ये तो गलत है। कांग्रेस को खुद ही नहीं पता व्हाट आर देयर नंबर्स, व्हाट आर देयर स्ट्रेंथ। ऑल देयर स्पोक्सपर्सन डू इज कम इन एवरी डिबेट इमेजिन द आयरनी। People know where my ideology is.
But alliance है, पेट में दर्द क्यों होती है आपको?
Can you actually make a case for them?
We are India alliance.
इन डबवाली जो आप कह रहे हैं, कितने पोजीशन पर थी आम आदमी पार्टी?
हाँ बताइए।
The difference between winning and losing candidates was 600. He said that even with support they wouldn't have been able to make a difference.
No, they wouldn't have.
Initially he said that.
Yes, they wouldn't have been able to.
Even if they had. Look at that. Look at that.
610 and 32. This is what I said. 610 and 32. The difference was.
And look at where the Congress party is. Look at the position of the Congress party. Now the data is in front of you. Yes, Pradeep Bhandari.
स्वाति,
the Aam Aadmi Party, as usual, is blatantly lying. If he quotes me the judgment of the Supreme Court, which says that Mr. Kejriwal is exonerated from all charges, I'll take my thing back. Otherwise, he's blatantly lying. You can check on the debate. If open the debate, he's not read it. Number one. Number two, open challenge. Number two, point number one. This party got on 88 seats, Aam Aadmi Party. It lost deposit on 87 seats. 87 seats, it's lost deposits. The independent candidates have got more votes than the Aam Aadmi Party. In Arvind Kejriwal's hometown, he's not able to get 1,000 votes. What is their impact on Haryana? Point number two, just Tushar. Point number three, just Mr. Sobrawal said that the India alliance is intact. For him, India, for us, Indi, which is there. He does not know the full form of A. That is what Rahul Gandhi did in US. Ask him to take an open declaration from Arvind Kejriwal that he will give seats
don't
to...
speak
seats.
like this.
He said that the Indi alliance is intact. Please ask him whether Arvind Kejriwal will give him seats and he openly takes back the statement that Aam Aadmi Party is fighting alone in Delhi. Please ask on the debate.
Respond, Mr.
Please,
Babu.
on the debate you will see. Ask Mr. Does
party-
must you?
my party
Ask Aam Aadmi Party to take an official stand.
My
Will they
party
give seats to
leadership
the
has
Congress
to
party?
They've said as of now,
India
they're
alliance
going
partners
solo
has to decide.
No, he's saying no.
India alliance partners.
No, ask him.
India
Ask
alliance
him.
partners has to decide.
आप is saying no. आप
आपने
is saying
said
no.
He is saying ना. The
तो ये कौन है?
the party has to decide.
ये आप
saying
said
no.
My
no.
party, their party, all the parties has to decide.
Another wait.
No,
एक
I
second.
want to go back to the point.
One point,
the
Swati,
Congress-
since I have a question on
Okay.
data. Dabwali Anmolji said the Aam Aadmi Party stood fifth. The Congress did not lose to the BJP, they lost to the INLD.
Yes.
Hopefully the Congress spokesperson would have backed me when I was making a case for his party.
And there-
Ucha Kalan,
and there were
where they
several
said they lost by 32 votes. Aam Aadmi Party was number 8.
There it is.
अरे हारे ना उनकी वजह से उनकी वजह से हारे ना ये बोल रहे हैं
सिर्फ
हम
उनकी वजह से नहीं हारे आप कई सारी
आप
सीटें
हारे
ऐसी
क्यों?
हैं जहाँ
हारे?
सिर्फ मैं कह रही हूँ सिर्फ उनकी वजह से नहीं कई सीट्स ऐसी हैं जहाँ पर आपके इंडिपेंडेंस जो हैं इंडिपेंडेंस अगर वो नाराज नहीं होते रिबेल नहीं बने होते तो आपको फायदा हो
चलिए
जाता।
मैं कह रहा हूं कि हम
हारे होंगे इनकी वजह से।
सोबरवाल जी ने आपके शो पे स्टेटमेंट दिया कि इंडिया अलायंस इंटैक्ट है। क्या आम आदमी पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी को दिल्ली में सीट देगी, हाँ या ना? बता दीजिए यहीं पे आप कहेंगे।
पार्टी has to decide.
नहीं आप छोड़िए ना, बोलिए। चुप हो गए आम आदमी पार्टी, चुप हो गए, बोलो सीट दोगे।
एक मिनट भाई, दिल्ली में मैं घूमता हूँ, दिल्ली में 4 जून के बाद कांग्रेस के जो लोकल एमएलए एस्पिरेंट्स है, दे स्टार्टेड कैंपेनिंग ऑलरेडी। यहाँ रमेश जी कह रहे हैं कि ऊपर की लीडरशिप डिसाइड करेगी, सही बात है। ऊपर की लीडरशिप ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर चुकी है। आप नॉर्थ दिल्ली जाइए, आप कई इलाकों में जाइए, तो एस्पिरेंट्स आर
कांग्रेस
कैंपेनिंग।
पार्टी बिकमिंग अ लायबिलिटी फॉर द allies in the INDI? Please respond, Mr. Bawal.
We are not a liability, ma'am. Are we a liability? We are the
Ask
first.
your allies who are saying you are overconfident, you are arrogant,
अभी तो
you
आपने
look
सुना
down
शिवसेना
upon-
का। अभी तो आपने
TMC
सुना
नहीं है।
अभी तो उन्होंने कहा कि
TMC
लायबिलिटी नहीं है।
TMC
अभी तो
says
कहा
that
उन्होंने
you're
भाई है।
looking down upon.
मैडम,
संजय
ये तो-
राउत ने क्या कहा?
किसने कहा?
आनंद दुबे जी बताएंगे संजय राउत
अभी
ने क्या
बोला
कहा?
उन्होंने कि हमारे भाई
अभी
हैं।
तो मैं कह रही हूँ ना, अभी
इतनी
तो
पुरानी पार्टी
आनंद
है।
दुबे जी संजय राउत ने क्या कहा कि जहां कांग्रेस पार्टी मजबूत पाती है अपने आप को, रीजनल पार्टीज को इग्नोर करती है, जहां वो वीक होने लगती है तो उनको जरूरत पड़ जाती है रीजनल पार्टीज। कहा कि नहीं कहा? अभी आप लोगों के सुर बदले होंगे, कहा कि नहीं कहा?
स्वाति जी हम वही कह रहे हैं कि हमने ये कहा है तो उसके पीछे तर्क भी है, आधार भी है कहने का। अगर हरियाणा में जम्मू कश्मीर की तरह ही कुछ साथियों को साथ ले लिया होता तो आज नतीजे कुछ और होते। भारतीय जनता पार्टी विपक्ष में बैठी होती। यही तो हम कह रहे हैं, कांग्रेस अच्छा लड़ती, जब अच्छी रणनीति बनाती तो जीतती भी है। कर्नाटक जीती, हिमाचल जीती, तेलंगाना
तो फिर
जीती।
आपकी बात
लेकिन जहां
कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो जाती है ना साहब। आप ये भी कह रहे हैं दूसरी तरफ की डायरेक्ट फाइट में ये लोग टिक नहीं पाते।
हरियाणा हार जाती है।
नहीं, एक सेकंड आनंद दुबे जी, एक सेकंड। कंफ्यूजन आप लोग खुद ही क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। कभी आप कह रहे हैं कि डायरेक्ट फाइट में जीत नहीं पाते, फिर आप खुद ही एग्जांपल देने लग जाते हैं कर्नाटक और तेलंगाना का। तो डायरेक्ट फाइट में जीते तो है कर्नाटक और तेलंगाना में, आप खुद ही अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं। क्या
देखिए ऐसा है, जहां जहां महाविकास आघाड़ी का प्रभाव है, आपको क्या लगता है कि हरियाणा में आम आदमी पार्टी का प्रभाव नहीं है? कांग्रेस एक सीट 32 वोट से हारी है, वो सीट जीत नहीं जाती अगर आम आदमी पार्टी का साथ मिला होता। कई सीटें 500,000-1,500 वोटों से हारी है, वो जीत नहीं जाती। 17 से ज्यादा सीटें हैं जहां आम आदमी पार्टी और बागियों की वजह से हारी है। तो अगर रणनीति बनाई होती, उनको साथ में लेकर चली होती, तो आज बीजेपी वहां विपक्ष में होती। यही तो हम कह रहे हैं कि जो आगामी झारखंड और महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव है,
कांग्रेस को क्या करना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
हमारी बात समझो।
हाँ, बात समझो। रोमेश सबरवाल जी,
कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाओ, एक स्टेज पर आओ।
एंड विवेक सैलस एज वेल।
क्या गलत कह रहे हैं?
ठीक है, विवेक सैलस भी हमारे साथ। विवेक सैलस, आपको लग रहा है कांग्रेस बना नहीं रही है कोऑर्डिनेशन पार्टीज के बीच में, दैट दे शुड लिसन टू देयर एलाइज एंड स्पेशली द रीजनल पार्टीज मोर?
Yeah, definitely they should listen and change their strategy as well. They have to. Because we have seen the example in Haryana, the people were against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Same is the case with Maharashtra. The Bharatiya Janata Party was confined to just single digit. Can Mr. Bhandari deny that? No, they just got 9 seats out of 48. So if the strategy is good, the people are with the India Alliance and the Congress Party and the NCP and the Shiv Sena, as Mr. Dubey said, I think it will be a easy victory for the India Alliance if the strategy
you want
works.
Congress to accommodate the allies.
Of course, why not?
Romesh Sabrabalji, please respond to that. Do you agree and accept that there was infighting, कि दो camps थे, and that you were overconfident? You thought that you don't need these allies for Haryana?
No, ma'am, the mistake which we have done, that we should have not fought the election as Congress versus BJP, India Alliance versus the BJP, we would have done that. We did a mistake in Haryana and we will rectify. In Maharashtra, it is not going to happen because we
what
are
will you do about Delhi?
Delhi, I am hopeful that the India Alliance will take place in Delhi also.
They are not
You will
ready.
see.
They are not ready to even go with
I said that. I said that.
Jharkhand and Maharashtra that are coming up. You know, Delhi is next year.
Yes, I'm telling you today. I'm telling you today, it is going to happen.
Declaration now.
हमें मोदी को हराना है, हमें undemocratic means को हटाना है.
Is that the problem? Actually, let me sum up by asking that question. Is that the fault in the strategy of the INDI कि कुछ भी करके भी मोदी को हराना है, instead of strengthening yourself or to come up with strategies कि आप कैसे जीतेंगे? The entire focus perhaps is on हमको मोदी को हराना है. And is the reason why that strategy fails? What will be the impact of this on the upcoming election remains to be seen. We are here. We'll be ready to analyze those details as well. Thank you very much for watching us.